Hello everyone, this is Preeti Garg and I welcome you all in today's session. And in today's session we'll be dealing with most important topic, and that topic is algebraic identities. Algebraic identities. It is simple and it is very simple. Need not to get confused, right? We start with basic algebraic identities that we have already done in class 8. Okay? Now in class 8, we have done these 4 algebraic identities. Now what are these 4? First let us have a review of these 4 that we have already done. Then there are 4 more which are introduced for class 9. Okay? So let us first have a look for first identity. Identity number 1 is a plus b. We have first identity, that is a plus b, which is and whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sometimes we can write it this way also, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine. So this is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. How to do this identity or what we have to do with this, that I will explain you through the examples. First let me make you clear about all these 4 identities. Okay. Then after this we will be taking example for each identity. So next identity is a minus b whole square. Now see, from here it is a plus b whole square. Here it is a minus b whole square. Only the difference is here it was plus and here it is minus. So same way it is a square plus b square. Only note you have to do is that it is plus 2ab and here it is minus 2ab. Similarly, it can also be written in this form, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Now, third identity is we have a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Last identity that we have here is x plus a into x plus b, and this is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. You have to learn these identities as they are. Fine. Again, x plus a into x plus b will be x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Clear? Now, एक चीज जो बहुत ध्यान से आप लोग को समझनी है, and what is that? Suppose we are having this identity a plus b whole square, and this is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. Now just see, let us consider then that this is the short form and this is the expanded form. Fine. Let us consider it that this is the short form and this is the expanded form of it. Fine. Now, if the question is given to us in this form, if the question is given to us in this form, that means in the short form, we have to get the answer in this form, in the long form, in the expanded form. If the question is given in this form, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab, then we have to get the answer in short form. Am I clear? That means we can consider them as that one is left hand side, one is right hand side. If we are given the question in the form of left hand side, we are supposed to find the answer in the form of right hand side. If we are given the question in the form of right hand side, then we have to get the answer in the form of left hand side. I hope this is clear. It will be more clear by the following example. Fine. So let us take first example. Now here we start with the example. Suppose we have first example. That example is p plus 3q whole square, and you have to solve it. P plus 3q whole square. Now look at the question that we are given and look at all the 4 identities that you have. Now just relate this question to the identities that you have. ये कौन सी फॉर्म वाली आइडेंटिटी की फॉर्म में है? p plus 3q whole square. Look here. a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, or x plus a and x plus b. Directly if we see, we can see p plus 3q whole square is in the form of a plus b whole square. That means it is for sure that we need the answer in this form, right? But now see how do we have to do. The question is p plus 3q whole square. What will we be doing? First of all, we will be writing the identity which we are applying. Which identity we know? Now what we know, that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. Now from here we see a plus b whole square. In place of a, what do we have? P. And in place of b, what do we have? 3q. Yes. a में क्या है? p और b के बदले क्या है? 3q. And we need the answer in this form. That means we need a square and b square. We will be writing the answer in this form. So we need a square. और a कितना है? p. That means a square will be p square plus, this is b square. b is 3q. That means b square is square of 3q. Then plus 2 into a into b. What is a? P. And what is b? 3q. Am I clear? Then p square is p square plus 3q square will be 9q square plus 2 3s are 6 p q. We have got this identity. P plus 3q whole square will be equals to p square plus 9q square plus 6 p q. Clear? This is the example for identity first. Right? Now let us take second example. Here only we can do, that is 2x minus 6 and whole square. Now look at all the four identities and just find out it is of which form. So when we see it is 2x minus 6 and whole square, and it is a minus b and whole square. That means this is of the form this. That means always remember that you have to mention the identity that you are using. Always remember this thing. Now we know what? That a minus b whole square will be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now a minus b is 2x minus 6. From in here if we compare, a is 2x and b is 6. Don't take minus 6 because minus already is there in the identity. Right? Now we know that if this question is in the left hand side form, then we have to get the answer in the right hand side form. Now what is right hand side? We need a square. That means 2x square. We need b square. That means this is 6 square minus 2 into a means 2x and b means 6. Any problems? Fine. Now 2x whole square will be, square of 2 is 4, square of x is x square plus 6 square will be 36 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 6s are 24x. So this is your second identity. Is it okay? Is it okay? 4x square plus 36 minus 24x is the second identity that you have. See once again, this is the left hand side form. So we are getting the answer in the right hand side form. And from here we are comparing, a के बदले क्या लिखा है यहाँ पर? 2x. b के बदले क्या है यहाँ पर? 6. So we have written in place of a it is 2x, in place of b it is 6. Now we need the answer in the right hand side form. Right hand side में क्या है हमारे पास? a square plus b square minus 2ab. जब a 2x है तो a square कितना होगा? 2x का square. When b is 6, so what will be b square? That will be square of 6. Then minus 2ab. 2 into a into b. Square of 2x will be 4x square. Square of 6 will be 36. And then minus as it is. 2 to the 4, 4 6 are 24x. So this is the solution for this example. Fine. I hope these two examples for identity number 1 and identity number 2, they are clear to you. Okay. Now we move on to example number 3. Let me rub this side. Example number 3 we move on to. And just see that which form or which identity does it have. Example number 2. Sorry, example number 3. Example number 3 is m square minus 64. Just look at the identities. First of all, just check whether it is the left hand side form of any identity or the right hand side form. अगर ध्यान से देखेंगे राइट हैंड साइड फॉर्म सारी एक्सपेंडेड है एंड दिस इज नॉट एट ऑल एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स कोई ना कोई आइडेंटिटी है जिसकी ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फॉर्म है. नाउ यू हैव टू चेक कि किसकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फॉर्म है. देखो a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, नो. a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, नो. होल स्क्वायर तो है ही नहीं इसमें. देन a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, बट इसमें बी स्क्वायर नहीं है. नहीं है नहीं, बट फाइनली है. हाउ? बिकॉज वी कैन राइट दिस m स्क्वायर माइनस 64 एज m स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर ऑफ 8. फाइन. दिस इज द मेथड और दिस इज द पॉइंट वेयर यू हैव टू टेक अ नोट. Okay, it is m square minus 8 square. That means it is of the form of identity number 3. Now, this is the left hand side form. We need the right hand side form. So now let us compare, and first of all let us write the identity which we are using. We know which identity are we using. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now a plus b into a minus b. A square is given to us as m square, and on comparison b square is given to us as 8 square. Yes. Now we need a plus b and a minus b. When a square is m square, what will be a? Just m plus. When b square is 8 square, what will be just b? Simple 8. Similarly, a minus b, that means m minus 8. So this is the right hand side form of the identity. Remember that we were given the left hand side form of the identity and we have got the answer in the right hand side form of the identity. Clear? Now let us move on to the last. That is x plus 4 and x plus 10. Example number 4. Or we shall do it here to the next side. Example number 4, that is we have x plus 4 and x plus 10. When we see to the identity directly, we can see that it is fourth identity that is given to us. So we will be writing the identity. We know that x plus a and x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Fine. On comparing, what we get as a, x plus a, x plus a is 4, and on comparing, what we are getting b as 10. Fine. Then what? We were given the left hand side of the identity, so we have to get the answer in the right hand side form. We need x square, so x square to be written as it is, plus a plus b. A is 4, b is 10, so 4 plus 10 into x plus ab, that means 4 into 10. Solve it. X square plus 10 plus 4 is 14x plus 4 into 10 is 40. So this is your answer. Okay. I think all these 4 identities are clear. These were for class 8. We have done this in class 8. आप 8th class में कर चुके हैं, but still I have taken this exercise from the basic concept, ताकि ऐसा नहीं हो कि आगे जाके जब इसमें थोड़ी सी और healthy wealthy सी identities आए तो आप लोग घबरा जाएं. Okay, so we are starting with the first identity only. So I have taken in this video first 4 identities, first 4 basic identities. I have tried to make myself very clear in solving the questions. I have taken each example for each identity. Fine. Still, if you find any problem, then do ask me in the comment box. Okay, I'll wait for your questions. Until and unless you are not asking the questions, that means you are not watching the videos or you are not understanding. I may get demotivated. So please, I request you all to give me suggestions, to give me comments, to give me compliments. Okay. Also, please ask me the questions, ask your queries, whatever you have. And अगर आप चाहते हैं कोई और बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जो आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है और वो 9th क्लास का नहीं है, इट इज ऑफ एनी प्रीवियस क्लास बट दैट इज यूज्ड इन क्लास 9, कोई भी बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट हो, चाहे वो बहुत छोटा हो, देन डू आस्क मी. ओके, आई ट्राई टू क्लियर ऑल योर प्रॉब्लम्स. फाइन. So this is the basic concept. In the next video we shall be starting with exercise 2.5. Okay? Goodbye.